So we are a glass manufacturer. We make art glass with colored sheet glass primarily for stained glass studios and other uses in the glass art community, and we've been making glass since 1904. So we manufacture all of our glass from raw materials, so sand and feldspar and various other chemicals that are all easy to come by and abundant in the area. Everything comes from the region. Our stuff comes by rail car, so being on a rail line is very helpful. Very physical labor, and the employees in West Virginia are used to working hard, so that helps. We also need access to affordable and reliable gas to keep the furnaces burning, and that's also something that's widely available in West Virginia at a good price. About 99% of our sales are from outside the region, and 40% of what we sell is actually exported. So we're bringing currency and investment into the community from other areas.
Paul Wissmach takes advantage of a lot of the resources the Department of Economic Development has to offer. They work with our exporting team to take advantage of international markets. They also work with our workforce and industry training team to take advantage of Governor's Guaranteed Workforce funding.
Since the state has such a small population, we've really gotten great access to state programs and employment programs and technology programs, loan programs. So yeah, I feel like we're getting a lot of help from the state.
Is that you have a lot of attention on everything you do. A relatively small employer is still important.
West Virginia is kind of known that there's the stereotype of the state struggling, so I like being here and getting to know the people and feeling like I'm actually making a tangible difference in people's lives.
It's a great company story, a great West Virginia story, and it's an honor for me to be able to get them the resources they need so they can continue that story in our state for centuries to come.
We've been here for 118 years, so I don't think we're looking to move anytime soon. The access to raw materials, the access to the energy that we need to convert the sand to glass, strong employee base, and the good support from the state is all very helpful, and we'll stay here hopefully for another 100 years.